our maths. Hands up if you can tell me what we were doing. James?
Number bonds to 20.
Number bonds to 20. Perfect. Let's recap then our number bonds to 10, just to check we remember how to do it. So, who can tell me a number bond to 10? Austin.
7 and a 3.
7
And a 3.
7 and a 3. How do we write it? 7
Plus 3.
7 plus 3. 7 plus 3
Equals 10.
10. So that is correct. That's a number bond to 10. Max, would you mind shutting that door for me if that's okay? Thank you very much. So, can you have a think about what resources, what we could use to help us check that this is right? What could we use to help us check this is right? Yep.
Number line.
The number line, definitely. So we could start at the 7, couldn't we? And how many do we need to jump on?
3.
3. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah? So we could use the number line. Hazel? 5 plus 5 is 10. Well done. That is a really good another number bond. Thinking of other resources, yes. Your fingers. Check that you're not aliens. Check that you have 10 fingers.
1, 2, 3. I got 20. 10.
You've got 20. Well, you'll be good at our number ones.
10.
Lovely. So we've all got 10 fingers. Our fingers are super helpful when we're doing our number ones to 10, aren't they?
All the same.
We could check, couldn't we? Let's put down 7 of our fingers.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers do we have left? 1, 2, 3. 3. So that is another way that we can prove that that number bond is correct. Another way, James.
We could use beads.
Yes, we could use our bead strings, couldn't we? Can you all hold up your bead strings? Yeah, so we've all got a bead string, and on these ones there's 20 beads, aren't there? There's 10 white ones, Isaac. How many red ones are there?
10.
10. Well done. So all together we have 20 beads. Let's then hold it up. We'll put the white ones at the bottom there in the bin. Put the white ones at the bottom there in the bin. Okay, lovely. Jessica, can I see your white ones at the bottom in the bin? Lovely. So, we're going to start with our number 7. So let's move 7 of our red beads down into the bin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold your answer at the top in your hand. Hold your answer in your hand. And then open up and count. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3. So 7 plus 3 equals
10.
lovely. Another resource we could use to check if this is correct.
No.
Austin, put your hand up if you have something to say. Yes, Austin. What else could we use?
Stars.
Stars, definitely. We could use stars. We could draw. Draw our 10 stars to begin with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we could get rid of 7 of them, couldn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's put that to red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many stars do we have left?
3.
3. So that's another way of proving it. Well done, Austin. Okay, can you think of one more way? Yes, Jessica.
You can move 5 out of 5.
Yeah, that's another number bond. That's really good. But we're thinking of another resource. Yes, indeed. We can use blocks of some kind. We have these multi-link. You could use Lego, couldn't you? You could use Duplo, you could use big Lego. So, in front of you, you have 2 towers of 10. So let's just use one of them. So only pick up one for me. Let's see it. Well done, you can put your bead string down. Jessica. Well done. Just one I need. Okay, let's break off 7. So count along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make a break. Ugh. And check, have you got 3 on the other side?
Yes.
How many have you got left? Have you got 3? Lovely. So we could also use this. I would like you to make a choice now. I'm going to put up a number bond to 10. We'll start with 10, and it's going to have a mystery number. Now you can use your bead strings, or you can use your blocks, or you can use stars, or you can use your fingers to see if you can find the missing number. Now, before you put your hand up and say, I've got it, I've got it, I've got it, make sure you check it with a different method. Check it twice for me. Okay, right, close your eyes. I'm going to write down. Let me think. Four plus some equals 10. Okay, open your eyes. 4 plus something equals 10. Now don't call it out, don't tell anyone, keep it a secret. I want you to use one of these methods to see if you can work out what the answer is. Go on then, use the methods, show me. I'm going to walk around and see. You can choose which thing you like to help you work out the answer, and then write down. Yep, you can draw it in your book.
10 circles.
You could do 10 circles, definitely. 10. When you think you found that question mark number, the mystery number, write it as a full number sentence. Which method are you using? Using your hands, lovely.
I'm using dots.
Using dots, a really good one.
And I already know. But I'm keeping it a
Now you found the answer, can you write it as a number sentence?
Wait, does it? I already know.
Have you done it? No? What method are you using? So you're doing the circle method.
I think I know what it is.
I'll come and have a look. Just one moment.
Me too.
Try using a different method to double check it.
I've already done it. Me too. Right, 2. And I know the answer. Me too. I know the answer. Is it this
And
one?
then count how many left.
Look at.
Okay, let's see.
Is it?
Fantastic. What 2 methods did you use?
I used the circles
Yep.
and the beads.
And the beads. Let me check. Have you written down the number sentence?
And yeah.
Not yet. Have a go at writing it down. Anyone else think they're there? Lovely, write it as a number sentence. So.
What?
Did you do music notes?
Number
Oh, I love that idea. Go and put it into a number sentence for me.
So, can I put
So have you
mine
written it into a number sentence?
So,
Yes.
can I put mine into mine?
Yes, please put yours into a number sentence.
Miss, I don't have to do 4 now.
Lovely. So can you put your answer where that question mark goes? I'm going to give you about 20 seconds to finish off writing your number sentence.
Done. I done. It's all done.
Well done.
Done. All done.
Well done.
Oh no! Nobody knows now. I turn my page.
Okay, show off your newly practiced numbers. Yeah? Do you want to do it? Come on then. Come right up on the board. So you're going to finish this number sentence. 2, 4. Yeah. What was that? What was it? Lovely, well done. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Did you all get that?
Yes.
I know you all got it right because I came round and had a look. Well done. Okay, so we definitely know how to work out our number bonds to 10, don't we? Easy peasy. We've been able to work out how to do it. So let's go back to what we were having a look at yesterday then,
Okay.
and have a look at our number bonds to 20. So these ones feel a bit bigger. They maybe look a bit more complicated, but you can use most of the same methods to try and find out the answers. So to begin with, I'm going to just tell you a number bond to 20. You're just going to watch and then you're going to know that this is right. So I'm going to tell you that 14 plus 6 equals 20.
You already done that, I think.
That's like the one we've just done, isn't it? 4 plus 6, but this is 14 plus 6. Now I can tell you this is correct. I've not tricked you this time. But I want you to prove that I am correct.
Okay.
So, to do this, you could either be drawing the circles, you could be drawing the stars, you could do what Hazel did and draw music notes, or you could use all 20 of your beads, couldn't you?
Beads.
Or combine your 2 towers to make a 20 tower.
Oh.
So, you work it out one way for me, and then I'm going to ask some people to come up and show me how they did it.
Aha. I have a good idea.
Yeah?
10 plus 10 equals 20.
Yes, you need to start them all at the bottom, don't you? Yeah, 20. So you need to now break off 14 of them, don't you? I'm going to give you a few seconds just to carry on.
6.
Perfect.
6.
Well done. Well done. Yep, and how many's left on that end? Okay, right. Let's get Sam to come to the front. I'm going to do it with Sam. Bring your string with you. This is what Sam did. So everyone stop what you're doing, put your pencils down. Pick up your bead string so you can copy me and Sam. Right, so are we starting with any of them in the bin or are they all at the sky?
We're starting with all of them at the bin.
All of them in the bin?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Put them all in the bin.
Bin them. Bye-bye. Have a good day in the bin.
So then we need to point them to the sky, don't we?
Yeah.
And we're sliding down how many?
14.
14. So make sure you've got them all pointing to the sky and put 14 in the bin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then you've got your answer at the top, haven't you? Shall we check and see if we've got the same answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you have 6?
Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you very much, Sam. Okay, another method I saw was Isaac's. Isaac, do you want to come and show us your one? So you need to bring all your blocks, don't you? Maybe we can borrow Hazel's because look, Hazel's is all built together. Can we use yours, Hazel?
Yeah.
Thank Hazel, you can use those ones there. Right, let's see your blocks in a nice tower. Can I see your blocks in a tower? Sam, you need to put yours together.
I clearly already did.
Lovely. Okay,
I already did mine.
let's just double check that we've got 20 blocks because that is our answer, isn't it? 20. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Yeah.
Have we got 20? Good job. Okay, so we're going to break off how many of our blocks?
14.
14 of our blocks.
You did print 14.
So, right. 1.
We've all got 20. It's not as a pencil. So pencil. 3. Very big bit. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
So how many
6.
do you have left? 6? Can we compare?
5, 6, 7,
There you go. Go around and check that everyone has the same as you.
9, 10, 11,
Is it the same?
12,
Lovely. Check Jessica's.
14, 15, 16,
Let's see yours.
17.
Perfect.
I read up to 17.
Well, you need to do 14. Yeah, perfect. Well done. Is it the same? Well done. Fantastic. Thank you, Isaac. You can go and sit back down now. Right. So, we've had 2 ways of proving that I was correct. Let's just check. I think that James had a different way. Did you, James?
Well, you made 10.
Uh,
Well, I didn't say it was Hazel.
what was that?
Musical note.
Musical notes. So, what do we need to draw on here?
Musical note.
How many?
20.
20 music notes.
I'm good at doing musical notes.
Well, you will be perfect at using this method then. Let's have a go in our books now. We're drawing 20 musical notes. If you'd rather do circles, do circles. If you'd rather do squares, do squares. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Done.
15,
I'm done.
17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to put my pen in the air because I have done my 20, but your pencil in the air if you have done your 20. Well done.
No, I haven't.
Oh, give me your pencil in the air then.
19, 20.
Perfect. Well done. Remember, we're not going to spend too long doing super detailed little notes. Okay, and then, James, how many of these music notes do I need to get rid of them?
14.
14. Where did you get 14 from?
Or you cross these off.
You crossed them off. But where did you get the number 14? Where did you see it? So this number. Are we doing this one? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Cross off 14 of yours.
14. Okay.
Well done. Now I'm going to see who is sitting beautifully to count how many music notes I have left. circle them if it makes it easier.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Thank you very much, Hazel. So 14 plus 6 equals 20. So I'm going to set you 2 challenges now. I'm going to write 2 more number bonds to 20, but with mystery numbers. And you can use whichever of these methods that you like to see if you can work out what the mystery number is. Okay? Let's write it down for you. So, let me think. Let's do 11 plus something equals 20. And I'm also going to do, I'm going to make this one a bit trickier and start with the mystery number. Something plus 7 equals 20. Please can you have a go at working out those 2, and you can use whichever method you prefer.